Okay, alright guys, just some quick percentage work here. Look at this shirt, it's $25. It's $25, but the bargain is it's 20% off. Right, how do we find out what 20% of $25 is? Okay, in order to take 20% off. Now you girls need to know this for your shopping. So the first job is to find out what is 20% of 25. Okay, so this number here, this 20%, you got to convert it to a fraction first. You can't just find out the percentage. Find out what 20% is as a fraction, and because it's a percent, you should know that 20% really means 20 over 100 of $25. Okay, because we're trying to find the 20% of $25. So 20% really means 20 over 100. Right, we're going well. But we can still simplify that. We should be able to break it down. Let's simplify it all the way, right? Can you think of a big number that goes into 20 and a big number that goes into 100? Okay, I can. 20. If you divide 20 by 20, right, so divide 20 by 20, you get 1. Divide 100 by 20, you get 5. So really we're trying to find out 1/5 of $25. Okay? What is 1/5 of $25? Well, to find that out, we've got to go 25 here, 25 divided by 5, which of course equals 5. So 1/5 of $25 is 5. 1/5 of $25 is $5. So if 1/5 of $25 is $5, then 20% off the t-shirt means that it's $5 off the t-shirt. Okay? By the way, it means the t-shirt's going to cost you $20. Okay, let's do another problem, just like this one. Let's look at another t-shirt here. Here you go. Here's the t-shirt, and this is a real bargain. This one it actually costs $200. Okay, but it's 75% off. Okay, right. First of all, you've got to work out what is 75% of $200, because that's how much you're going to save, 75%. You can't just work with the percent. You've got to turn it into a fraction first, guys. Always turn the percent back into a fraction. So look, 75%, you should know what that means. 75% means 75 over 100, right, of $200. Okay? Let's simplify this fraction. Far too tricky. Let's simplify it. I can't even work it out. 75 over 100. What's the biggest number that can go into 75? It's 25. What's the biggest number that can go into 100? It's 25. Okay? It's the biggest number you're going to get into both of those. Of course, some of you might already know what 75 over 100 is as a simplified fraction, but if you don't, find big numbers to divide into the top and the bottom. Right, 25 into 75 is 3. 25 into 100 is 4. It's like saying 3/4 of $200, right? We're trying to find 75% of $200. It's like saying 3/4 of $200. Right, well, you can't find 3/4 until you know 1/4, so let's find 1/4 of $200, which is $200 divided by 4. That's what it means, $200 divided by 4, okay, equals $50. Okay, 1/4 is the same as dividing things by 4. Okay, so if 1/4 equals $50, 1/4 equals $50. Right, 2/4 must equal $100. Right, that means 3/4 equals $150, which means you are saving $150 if you are buying this shirt, which is 75% off. Alright guys, you can watch that a few times or come and ask me some questions if it helps. Cheerio.